Hey, what's up guys, this is Dave from Crux Motorsports. We'll be showing you today how to install our headlight side tint on this 2022 Honda Civic Sedan. The link for this product is in the video description below. This is going to be the dark smoke film. This is the darker of the two. It's going to match closer to the dark portion of the headlamp here. So first you want to start by cleaning the area where you're going to be installing at. And what we're going to do is align at this bottom portion. And this is going to taper up on the side a little bit higher. Once you have it in place, you can just start to work it down with the squeegee on the flat side. On this, we are going to hit it with a little bit of heat here and then at the top to just get this to conform a little bit better. So once this is installed, you're going to want to just completely go over it with heat again. They'll show if you missed anything. Just give it one more smooth down with your fingertip. And that's as easy as it is. Again, this is the dark smoke air release, applied completely dry. If you have any questions, make sure to contact us on the website. Our phone number and email is listed there. And thanks for watching.